guys, it's Jam and welcome to the first module of the virtual assistant world. And for this topic, okay, we're going to talk about what is a virtual assistant. It's about time to be able to define who we are as a virtual assistant in a very, very easy way. All right. But before anything else, I would like everyone to join Barangay VA community wherein you can learn how to become a virtual assistant for free. And you will also learn how to maximize this community for your advantage. All right, whether you're from the Philippines or here or international, you guys will enjoy, this free module. So I created a free VA course for you guys, and you'll be able to access it through the given, onboarding onboarding form here, and it's linked in the description box. All right, so go for it, guys. So for today, we're gonna talk about three things. First part is what is a virtual assistant. I would like to define this in a very simple way so you guys will be able to understand like instantly. So when you say virtual assistant, let me divide the words into two. So first word is a virtual. When you say virtual, it means online, and the second word is assistant, which means secretary. So when you combine both, you are an online secretary, and your job is to provide service to your clients remotely. Okay, whatever that service is, you'll get to know more about it in the future modules. But when I say remotely, it means that you're not doing it face to face like in an office setup with your clients in front of you physically. You are doing it digitally, wherever you are, from home or from anywhere in the globe. That is what a virtual assistant is. Now, part two, there are different types of services that you can provide as a virtual assistant. And here are just some of the basic roles of a virtual assistant, or category, I mean. But don't overthink yet. On the future modules, you will learn about who you are as a business. Okay, so take note of that. But I just want to show you like some of the basic categories of a virtual assistant. You can be under general admin and executive assistants, marketing and creatives, customer service, paralegal virtual assistant, sales and lead generation, e-commerce virtual assistants, finance and bookkeeping, real estate virtual assistant, HR and recruitment virtual assistant, and medical virtual assistant. It depends on your background and your current skills. Again, please don't overthink yet, because there will be a specific module that will help you identify who you are as a service provider during the VA business plan module. And yes, it's for free. All right. Now, let's talk about this question. Like, are all virtual assistants freelancers? So let's answer that in this module, right? So first, let me differentiate the two. What is the difference between employment and freelance? All right. Employment, meaning you're an employee, you are working under a company as an employee. Just like your day jobs right now, you are under an employee, but the difference here is that you are working remotely. All right. But when you say freelancing, all right, freelance is you are working with a company, not under a company, with a company as a business partner. So it's business to business. You are not employed under that company. You are, so this in the contract, you'll know it through the contract. So in the contract, if it says independent contractor, meaning to say you are not working as an employee under a company, but you are you are working with a company as a business partner. So then you are a freelancer if that is the type of contract that you have. All right. So the answer there is that not all virtual assistants are freelancer and not are freelancers. And let me differentiate like the difference between the day job that you have right now versus freelancing, because a lot of you guys apparently wants to quit your day jobs, which is pretty stable for everyone already, and transition to freelancing right away because of the benefits and everything. But let me just differentiate the two, like for you guys right now. When it comes to day job, it's actually an employment. When it comes to freelancing, you are a business on your own. You are the service provider. You are the product. All right. With day jobs, when it comes to income, your monthly income is fixed. You receive a specific amount fixed on the 15th or the 30th or at the end of the month. At the end of the month, here in freelancing, the income is inconsistent because clients come and go. Like last month, you can have like the best paycheck ever. Next month, it won't be the best paycheck ever. It's less than the previous months, or maybe it's the worst payday ever for that month. So it's inconsistent. All right. Day jobs. When it comes to labor, you handle just a specific department where you're assigned to. But as a freelancer, all right, you handle all departments. So you handle all the papers, all the systems in your business. You do your own marketing so they get to know you. So clients see you. You process all the payments, etc. So you do everything on your own. All right. When it comes to benefits, with day job, you get benefits. All right. Your 30-month pay, HMO or healthcare, whatever that is, your paid leaves and all. But with freelancing, there's no benefits. Not everyone gives benefits unless you're under an agency that hires independent contractors and they have like good benefits. But if you're on your own and you're getting clients directly, there's no benefits. All right, not all clients give benefits. They're not required to do that. For the day job, you are under an employer. For freelancing, you are a business partner, as mentioned earlier. And for day job, no experience is welcome because there's like a training department to train you with the basic ones. As long as you are already a match with the basic requirements and you're trainable, they'll train you with the basics, and then you can function after. So entry level is very, very welcome. But as a freelancer, since you are a business, you are the product, you have to be able to function and solve that specific problem, for your client. So you have to be an expert of what you do, of that service that you're providing. All right. Next is when it comes to day job, you have a secure job unless you do, something bad in the company during your stay, then you might lose a client or you might lose that job. But here, and plus there's due process, there's due process. But as a freelancer, clients can pull out anytime regardless of that contract. All right. Client will let you go just because number one, they don't have a budget for you anymore. Number two, their business is failing. Number three, they feel like you're not performing, stuff like that. They can pull out anytime. So meaning to say, with your day jobs, you already have a very stable source of income. But with freelancing, it's not stable at all. But of course, if you're a seasoned one already like us, you know, it's going to be easy for you to be able to make sure that regardless that even if you're a freelancer, you can make it stable for you through your systems. All right. So there are ways to be able to make your freelance business a stable one. And it's a process to embrace, guys. All right. So that's the difference between a day job and a freelancer. The question is freelancing something that you want to do? Or would you like to stick to your day job instead? That's the big question right now. So thank you so much for listening. I hope you guys learned a lot from this module. I hope you guys learned, number one, the definition of who a virtual assistant is, right? And number two, like what is the difference between an employee, okay, and a freelancer, that we learned that not all virtual assistants are freelancers. And lastly, the difference between a day job and a freelancer. So, of course, in every module, you have an assignment. If you haven't joined Barangay VA community yet, go ahead, enjoy Barangay VA, linked in the description box. All right. And comment below your learnings. Okay. Make it a habit to comment in the comment sections your learning per module. All right. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, and if you feel that this module has been helping you a lot, then please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, to Barangay VA University. All right. And hit that subscribe button and notification bell, I mean, so you'll be updated with our latest, modules in the future. That's it for me for the day. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next module. Bye.